Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Chérine on Tour. And today we have the pleasure of speaking with Dr. André Schwarz, Director of Marketing and Documentation at EyeC. Today, Dr. Schwarz will share his insights into the evolving landscape of print inspection, the challenges and opportunities facing the industry, and EyeC's innovative approaches to maintaining high standards of quality and sustainability. Great to have you on board.
Welcome. Hello.
Could you please describe your role in driving sustainable change in detail?
Yes, of course. As a company who does print inspection, it's, I could say, part of our DNA to give our customers sustainable products, not sustainable products, but they can produce sustainable products with help of our print inspection. Mm-hmm. So, because if a company produces something that is wrong, for example, a carton with mistakes, and this is waste. It's a waste of material, it's a waste of resources, yes. It's a waste of time, and so on. So with a print inspection, you can avoid this mistake, mm-hmm. and you can produce a sustainable product. So, yeah, so it's mainly our basic part to give you a help to sustainability.
So, and you are showcasing here also at the drupa Touchpoint Sustainability. What are you showcasing exactly?
Yeah, exactly. It's, this product is only a small part of our product range. So it is an offline inspection system. Normally, the customers have this one on the printing row. So if they print on a printing machine, they can take a sample, place it on the scanner, and then the system compares it to the template. Mm-hmm. So in short, you have the thing that you want to print, and you have the thing that you have printed. And this system compares it and shows you every deviation between the two things, between the two printed items. Mm-hmm. So you can see, oh, there's a mistake in printing, and if the printer can see it, he can intervene. So if you have, for example, a job with 25,000 sheets, and he sees on the 50 sheet there's a mistake, he can change it on the printing machine, and then he does not produce waste, but he produces good sheets or good labels or good folding carton, for example.
Thank you also for this concrete example. Yeah. It's always good to have examples to make it more concrete, right? What has been the biggest challenge in implementing sustainability, and how did you overcome it?
Yeah, we are basically a software company, so we have not that hard work to achieve a sustainable production. So we are programming and but we're doing something like we have 100% green energy for our servers, for example, for our company bureaus, for example. So we're trying to produce things that uses less packaging. For the drupa, for this drupa, we used some paper-based padded carton to wrap our scanners, for example, because the electronic devices need to be wrapped, and that are one of the things we can do. Mm-hmm. But the main thing is that we help our customers to produce something that is sustainable and to save resources. So it's mainly on the customer part, mm-hmm. and only a small part on our side, but yeah, we're trying to do the best we can.
What policy change do you believe is crucial for accelerating sustainable progress in the print and paper industry? What is your call to action for policymakers?
Yeah, I think the policymakers shall act. That's the basic thing. They shall act, and if you're doing things that you have always done it, will not change anything. So we need to act. We need to act quick, and we need to act now. And I think here on the Touchpoint, you can see a lot of small things that are that have an impact. And if you put all these small things together, you have an impact, and you can achieve a sustainable future.
What biggest trend do you see playing a crucial role in the future?
Yeah, I think beside of working together, there's the biggest trend in, I think, in our business in doing print inspection is of course artificial intelligence. So we have on our stand, we have a demonstration how artificial intelligence can help the printer to save more time. Because you're printing something, you have a deviation, and the printer has to decide, is it good or is it bad? So that can be a lot of small things like material defect or some insect who is on the camera or something like that, but it cannot do anything about it. So we have the possibility with the artificial intelligence to filter out these things, and though that the printer can only see what is relevant for him and something what he can do. For example, a scratch on the printing plate, so he can react. And this is one of the main things that our business can do for the future. And in short, artificial intelligence, that's the trend.
Yes. And how do you envision the print and paper landscape in, let's say, 2040, because that's also a year which we are focusing here on the Touchpoint sustainability?
I think that the printing industry needs to change, as I said, but I think that the printing industry will have changed in 2040. They will use less resources, recycled paper, for example, less chemical things like colors or detergent or something like that. But it's the only thing that, as I said before, put the small things together to get a bigger impact. So I think that even the printing industry will have a good role in creating a sustainable future.
That is a beautiful perspective for a bright future. Thank you very much, Dr. Schwarz, for sharing your valuable insights, and have a great time here at drupa. And thank you all for your attention, and stay tuned for more episodes of Chérine on Tour, and our next stop for sustainable change awaits.